Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure critical prerequisites are in place. Have a recent time machine backup or copy, plug the Mac into power, and confirm a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, click the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Now navigate to General, then Software Update. This opens the updater and shows available updates and their sizes. It also reports restart requirements. You do this to avoid interruption and to know whether the update needs extra time, storage, or a restart. You next review the listed updates and read the release notes to see security fixes and restart needs. If storage is low, free space by deleting large files or use optimized storage. Updates often require several gigabytes. When ready, click Update Now or Install All. Enter your admin password if prompted and allow the installer to download. This can take minutes to over an hour depending on size and network. Make sure to save work elsewhere, because some updates will restart the Mac automatically. Once installation finishes, the Mac will prompt a restart. Let it complete and avoid closing the lid during firmware updates. After boot, open System Settings to confirm your Mac is up to date and check key apps for expected version numbers. If the update fails or the Mac hangs, boot into safe mode to isolate extensions, reset NVRAM to clear hardware settings, or use macOS recovery to reinstall the OS without erasing data. These steps fix most update issues while preserving files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.